So you were charged with a murder case.
Yes, sir.
You're out on bond for a murder case, right? Which I got to say, you're probably lucky as it is to be out. And now you pick up an assault of a family member. You're charged. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine.
On March 26, 2024, in Harris County, Texas, officers were dispatched to an assault. Officers met with complaining witness. Defendant and complaining witness got into a verbal argument while defendant was driving. Complainant wanted to exit the car, but the defendant wouldn't slow down to allow her to get out. Complainant broke defendant's rearview mirror. Defendant punched the complainant several times in the face, causing pain. Complainant was finally able to exit the vehicle. Defendant sped off and complainant called 911. Officers noted that complainant had a large welt on her cheekbone. And you know his history.
So what happened on the murder case?
It still looks like, as far as the murder case is concerned, it looks like it's still pending. It's still pending, Your Honor. But that just the facts of that case, it appears that it was October 19th. This was actually from 2017. There was an investigation regarding assault which occurred between two inmates in a holdover cell at the jail facility at 1200 Baker Street in Houston. One of the inmates, identified as Lloyd Allen Mosley, had been transported by EMS to.
Okay, so it's a jail murder. Is that what it was, Mr. Emanuel? I gotta, I think that you're an extreme danger to society, man. I really do. Your bond is set at $10,000. I don't even think that's enough. I'm going to raise it up to $30,000. I think that you were lucky to be out. Now you pick up a new case and you're on bond for a murder case. I don't think so, man. I think that you're a very, very danger to society, and I'm going to raise it up. I don't think 10,000 is.
According to the murder, further states in here that they saw surveillance camera looked like that defendant Edens was trying to get the attention of officers because of sexual advancements. And then they learned that he had several lacerations to the face. So according to the accusatory document here from the officer, it appeared that the inmate Mosley had neurological injuries sustained in the assault. And
then I guess I would say succumb to those injuries. Yeah. Mr. Emanuel, I'm entering in what's called a magistrate's order for emergency protection. That is a court order that identifies Nikidra Winston as a protected individual. I know that one was issued and I'm updating it for today's date. I'm finding that this person is a protected individual. You cannot commit family violence or an assault against this person, commit an act in furtherance of an offense under section 42.072 of the Texas Penal Code, which is the stalking statute. You cannot threaten, harass, use another person to communicate a threat or harassing behavior. You cannot be in possession of a weapon or go within 200 feet of where she lives or where she works. Only one more thing I'm going to tell you. The jail calls are all recorded. So I would be very careful what you do, who you say, and who you talk to. I'm telling you not to talk to this person now. I'm entering in this order for protection. If this person should call you, I wouldn't accept it. I wouldn't talk to her because you're the one that's going to pick up the violation of the protective order. And I'm telling you now, I don't care about anything in this life but public safety. And if I find that you violate a protective order, I can have a hearing to hold you at no bond, zero bond, and I'll do it in a heartbeat. You understand, Mr. Emanuel?